The time then to bring on board Vijay Bhambwani, who is the author and CEO of bsplindia.com, with his thoughts on the markets. Good morning, Vijay. Good to have you with us. Would like to know the key levels that we should be watching out for on the Nifty.
Where the market outlook is concerned, the bullish pivot for the Nifty spot is at 5,840. Only if the Nifty spot trades consistently above this threshold will the primary target be of 5,855 and a secondary target of 5,875. On the other hand, the bearish pivot for the Nifty spot intraday will be at 5,825 levels, below which the primary target will be 5,810 and a secondary target will be 5,790 levels. The market is still in a process of seeking its clear trend, and as long as this trend determination process is underway, watch the 5,800 levels fairly keenly. If the Nifty closes below the 5,800 levels, the bulls are at a severely compromised situation in the absolute near term.
Right, and Vijay, what about the metals index? Because that's been the worst performer in yesterday's markets.
Where the metals index is concerned, the BSE metal index has gapped down yesterday and has shown signs of duress. I think in the coming few trading sessions, the 8,875 level needs to be watched as an immediate support. If the support is violated, I think metal stocks will have some more way to go down even further from here, which is not exactly a comforting sign. I think bottom fishing in the metals segment can be deferred as of now.
Okay, and how would you trade IDFC as well as Ambuja Cement?
IDFC has declined yesterday and is now firmly trading below its short and medium term moving averages. It can test the 148 levels on an intraday basis today, and only the very high risk traders might just attempt to do bottom fishing at 148 levels with a very small stop loss of 146 odd levels. Ambuja Cements has seen its lowest closing on a weekly chart after July 2012, and that's a sign of concern. The outlook remains weak, and at this point in time, the cement stocks aren't exactly a very exciting place to be, and therefore even delivery-based buying in Ambuja Cements can be safely deferred as of now.
And what about the trades you're recommending this morning?
As far as individual stock trading ideas are concerned, I would want to short Reliance Power in the cash segment. At marginal pullbacks to the 74 levels, I would hold these short positions with a stop loss at 75 and a quarter. I would expect to book profits at 71.50 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a very high risk buy on ICICI Bank, which has shown a hammer formation on the daily candlestick charts. And I would wait for marginal pullbacks to the 1,044 levels and initiate very small quantities on the buy side in the cash segment for an intraday basis. I would hold all long positions with a stop loss at 1,034, and I would expect to book profits at 1,062 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
Okay, and from the F&O space?
In the future space, I would want to short March futures of Tata Power at marginally higher levels of 99.5. I would hold these short positions with a stop loss at 100.5, and I would expect to book profits at 97 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
Okay, target of 97 on a Tata Power futures. Thanks very much, Vijay, for joining in as always.